look, there's Mom. Oh, okay, she's gonna kill me. Let's go downstairs and see Nicole. Oh, I know. There she is. Wait, no, there she is.
What are you doing? Get out! Go!
Okay, apparently she doesn't want to be in the video either. Oh, let's go see Ross. Oh, he left? Oh, okay. Well, then there's Mom again.
Okay, turn it off. You're wasting time.
Okay, sorry.
Whatever.
There's 39 more seconds of it. What you looking for, Mommy?
GameCube memory card.
GameCube memory card? How much?
I don't know.
Exactly.
Oh my god, Eric, stop. You're wasting batteries on that.
Okay,
Just turn it off.
okay, she wants me to turn it off. So, because she's camera shy, she doesn't like being on camera. We'll see ya.